Okay, now I'm going to show you how to use this tool. As you can see, this is the Milwaukee, and I'm going to show you closely so that way you know how to use it. All right, so as you can see, I have my vise, a piece of lumber. So this is the tool. So basically, if you want to see the status of the battery, if you have, if it's fully charged or not, just push the button here. If you want to remove the battery, very easy, push these two buttons that you see here, and it will release the locking mechanism, and that's it. So once you do that, put the battery back in, and that's it. So if you want to see the model, this is the model that you see here. This is the best one that I found. I tried many other brands like DeWalt, Bosch, Ryobi, Rashid, and this is the best one. You don't have a lot of vibration, or the vibration is very minimum, and it works very, very well. So now I'm going to show you how you can switch the blade. So basically you push this forward as much as possible. So here we have a stop anyway, and after that just unscrew this and remove the blade, and that's it. So basically you have three types of blades. So as you can see, you have the carbide. This is very good. So for metal, for hard, tough metal, thick metal, this is the greatest. You can buy cheapest blades like this, but they don't last long. So I don't recommend you to buy something like that. It's better just to spend a little bit more and have, what you deserve, than spending too little and make a mistake. Here you have the other one. For instance, if you have to cut lumber, for instance, and you have maybe a screw, a nail, or something like that, but you don't know about that, I would recommend you to use this. If you know for sure that you're going to have a clean wood that you see here, you're going to use this one. This one is great, and this is going to be faster. So basically, if you have to cut lumber, this is the way to go. If you have to cut lumber but you don't know if you're going to find a nail, use this. Otherwise, if you find a nail with this is going to get damaged. It's going to become useless. You will have to throw it away and buy a new one. Otherwise, with this, it's going to be a little bit tougher. Can you cut lumber with this? Sure, you can, but it will be way slower. So now I'm going to show you to cut lumber, for instance, with a clean wood, so that way you can see the difference. And then I'm going to try to cut the other ones, so you know how you can use it. Basically, you can use it like this, or if you don't need so much blade, you can put it in the other place. So it is up to you. So put it like that. I would recommend you if you can use eye protectors, and if you can use ear protectors as well. So that way, when you become a grandfather, you're going to be able to hear pretty well. Otherwise, if you don't take care of your ears, you're going to have issues in the future. So use this. So now we are going to grab it like that. You can use it like this, you can grab it like that. I prefer to grab it like that. Even if you grab it from here, you will be good. Something that I forgot to do here. So as you can see, I forgot to adjust it. So we are going to adjust it, put it back, and that's it. So make sure that it's tight. Once you have done that, you should be good. So you can tighten it by hand, is enough. You don't have to use a screwdriver. You could, but it doesn't make any sense. It will make it more difficult. So if you grab it from here, you're not going to cut yourself. You will be good. Anything it will cut you if you put your fingers like this. Otherwise, here is fine. Otherwise, you can grab it from here. But I'm saying this just in case if you have to, grab it from here for some reason or something like that. For sure that you're not going to get damaged. So basically, here you can select the speed. I recommend you to use A, so it will be automatic, and that's it. From here, you can turn it on and off. So as you can see, I can touch it here, you see, and I'm not getting hurt or anything like that. So as you can see, when I do more pressure on the blade, it will cut faster. Otherwise, it will go slower. So that is why I like it to have it in A. At least to me, it works better like that. Also, it will save battery and it will be less noisy. So remove this. Now we can use the carbide. You know, this is for metal. It will cut, but it will smoke most likely, and it will be way slower. As you can see, I was able to cut it, and with this you can cut almost anything. Again, now let's put something else. So let's say if you have a screw, you want to cut it, we can do the same thing. Because we have the right one, you can grab it from here. That's it, simple. And if you see the teeth, they're still good. Sometimes if you see a lot of smoke, it's because you lost all your teeth. That is how it works. So it's very simple. And you can use this, you know, for anything. You can cut, you know, anything. But the thing is, the problem that you're going to have with this, if you want to cut maybe like a big piece and you have a lot of space, like in this area, you can use maybe a grinder. It will be faster. But this, usually I use it when I have to do like a precision cuts. I use this. If I don't, and I am in a constrained area. Otherwise, if you have a lot of room, you can use maybe a reciprocal saw, or you can use a grinder or anything else, and it will do the job anyway. It might be even a little bit faster with the reciprocal saw. So this was the small class about how to use this multi-tool. If you want to learn more about tools, go to my playlist, you will see them all. And I am in US. If you need tools or anything like that, electronics, just let me know. I can ship it to you worldwide. Otherwise, I'll leave you the link so that way you can buy it yourself. Thank you for watching. See you next time.